My cottage. Right! Stand by, Brian! Action! Follow me! Homer who wants to live forever! Follow me, lad! Follow me! London! Because I got this big thing, you know, and it's made of cardboard. I said, cut! Brian, we put in the special effects. My life felt such a tit, but you can't, damn it. Action! You can't. You become a kid. I mean, Flash Gordon had a little gun. You go, ba-dang, 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 ba-dang. Oh, you can't. Ba-dang, ba-dang. It's made of cardboard.
Can I ask you a question?
No! I would say that I mentioned the great actor Max von Sydow. There are many great actors in it, many great stuntmen in it, and the feeling is that it is, I think, a piece of genius, a film by Mike Hodges, brilliant direction, because it is comic strip, and so forth. But I was very flattered prior to the emergence and entrance of Ming the Merciless. Wonderful costume, this great actor, great Swedish actor. And he said to me, Brian, I don't know how to play him. I don't know what to do with him. I said, well, I'd seen you in the Quiller Memorandum. There's a film called The Quiller Memorandum with George Siegel and Alec Guinness. And Siegel is captured by the East Germans. And when he wakes up, he's a spy. There's Max von Sydow with blonde hair, Ming the Merciless in front of him in a lovely beige jacket. Hello. I hope you're comfortable. I'm so sorry. You're a bit drugged. Don't worry. You could be on your way. What's your name? Well, Jack Smith. No. Your name's not Jack Smith. And he started going click, click, click. With his fingers, Max. You see and you think, well, he's saying that's what we're going to do to your fingers and your feet and your back and your neck. We're going to break every bone in your body. And he just does it very sweetly. Click, click, click. I said, Ming the Merciless is always making love potions, isn't he? He's always not only is a magician, not only is a kind of terrifying, ultra dark magician, but he's also a sex creature, that he has, you know, of these orgies, and he has these incredible sexual hands and powers. And I've seen you, I said, Max, use your hands. And so I'm delighted to say, if you watch him, he does it a lot. Lovely. And he's using his hands. That's because of me.